Good morning, everyone, and super morning. Thank you once again for joining this masterclass. My sincere thanks to all of you. Being a Sunday morning, you might have a lot of other important activities, other work, prior engagement, schedule and all, but you choose to come and attend this program. So my sincere thanks to you all. And it also shows that how serious you are for your career progression and dedicated for your career development. With this, let me reassure you that this is going to be one of your best time investment in your career development. Whatever the time we are together for next 2 hours time, you are going to learn a lot of new things. See, I'm not here to give you any gyan. Let me be very frank. I'm not here to give you any gyan. What I'm going to talk about, it's all the real world experience that I have. That is going to fetch you massive hike and a great offer later in data science space. Okay. So give me a thumbs up if you are all fine with this. Perfect. Give me a thumbs up if you're all fine with this. Right. Excellent. So let me start the session now. And okay. Perfect. Thank you, Roshan. Thank you, Mahesh. Thank you, Raju. Super awesome. Once again, I'll welcome everyone, those who have just joined. Let me welcome you. And we are starting the session now. So let me straightforward jump to the agenda. Before going there, just give me a confirmation if you can see my screen. I just started sharing my screen. Thank you, Praveen. Most welcome. Just give me a confirmation if you can see my screen now. Santhal Kumar, thank you. Okay, thank you, Raju. Perfect. Right. So now let me give you a complete understanding about the discussion that we have. Okay. So this is going to be a live session for next 2 hours. And what we are going to cover in this session, let me brief you. You are going to learn today data science opportunity. There are massive opportunity in data science space. So we are going to talk about that. Then we'll talk about what is data science and how you can master in data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, the entire data science ecospace. And then we'll talk about your learning path, step-by-step learning path, how you can get into this and how to become a successful data scientist. And then there would be a small test for you that is called data science assessment test. This test is important. That will give you a complete understanding how successful you would be once you start your data science journey. Okay, and we will do the test here itself in the session, and you will get the result in the session itself. Okay, perfect. And after that, once we are completing, those who are qualified, I'm going to offer you some scholarship as well for that program there. If you find with the agenda, just type good in the comment box if you are good with the agenda. Just mention good in the comment box if you find the agenda good. Thank you, Harinath. Thank you, Santhal. Thank you, Guru Prasad. Thank you, Roshan. Excellent. Perfect. So let me put some points, okay, important points there. And turn off all the distractions. See, we are going to have live session. So please keep all your distraction away since you are spending your time, and time is most important asset. So just try to dedicate next 2 hours with me in this program itself. So remove all your distraction, WhatsApp message and all, just focus on the program itself. Can I get your introduction in a specified format, like say year of experience, place and company? For example, if you have 10 years of experience from Bangalore and you are working with TCS, so you can say 10 years, Bangalore TCS. Can I get a quick introduction so that I know exactly where you are from? And then you can get a rough notebook. You are going to get a lot of new things during the program, and it will be good if you can grab a notebook, okay, and write it down. Okay, I'm not here to give you any gyan as such. As I told you, it is all the real world experience that we are going to talk about. Perfect. So can I get your introduction quickly, please? Hello, Mohammad Yashir. Okay, so we have Guru Prasad. Welcome, Guru. 15 years, Bangalore, on mobile. Okay, Senthil Kumar, 25 years, media entertainment, Gusto Studio. Welcome, Senthil. Everyone, please give a quick introduction. Right. Your year of experience and place. Okay, so Roshan Kumar, 5 years, Bangalore. Okay, super. Okay, continue. We have Harinath. Welcome, Harinath. 12 years, Tirupati, teaching. Welcome, Hari. Okay. Perfect. Please continue. Your quick introduction, please. Just in the format, year of experience, place where you are, and what you are doing right now.
Hello, sir. Good morning.
Hello. Hi, Praveen. Good morning.
Myself, 58 plus. I'm working in meteorological department as a meteorologist, and I have.
Okay, wonderful. Great. Welcome, Praveenji, in the session. Krishna Jadhav, welcome, Krishna, 15 years technical trainer. Okay. Senthil Kumar, Chennai, welcome, Senthil.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, everybody. I'm in media and entertainment, sir. I'm in visual effects and animation industry.
Super
Actually, I
awesome.
have around 25 years experience in this. We are based in Chennai.
Super awesome. Welcome, Senthilji, in this.
Thank you.
Okay. Agamjeet Bawa, 6 years, Amritsar IT firm. Welcome, Agamjeet. Super awesome. I think thank you for your wonderful welcome. And I can see people are from far east to deep south, across all India. Great to have you all here. So once again, warm welcome to this mastermind program. And this is going to be one of your best 2 hours time investment in your career development. That is my promise to you. Okay. And at the end, I will also just talk about this once again. Perfect. So those who have just joined, please share your introduction, your year of experience, place where you are joining and where you are working. Mahesh Sindhu, welcome Mahesh, 10 years Kerala IT. Okay, perfect. Now with this, let me set the context. It's going to be 90 minutes live session. Okay, and then we'll be having 30 minutes dedicated question and answer session. So total it is a 2-hour session and you will understand the entire flow altogether. And the recommended platform is that if you can join this thing on a computer or laptop, because that way you can see this thing much better, and we'll be having the live assessment test also during the session. So you can do this thing much better once you are there into laptop or say desktop. But nevertheless, if you're traveling or something, please be on mute, put our heads on, safety first. And second is like you can do the attend the test from the mobile also, not a problem. Okay, Suman, and welcome, Suman. Right. And one other thing, just I wanted to say that, see, this is going to be, okay, welcome, Suman is final year B Pharma, Oxford College of Pharmacy, Bangalore, working in a pharmacist in Trinity Center. Welcome, Suman, wonderful. So let me also give you one understanding that this is going to be like, say, 90 minutes live session and 30 minutes dedicated question and answer would be there. But if you think you do not have that much time and you will be dropping up in between, so I would rather suggest you can drop up right now. Okay, and the reason is half knowledge is very dangerous thing. What I want, like I'm going to give you a complete real-time experience in next 2 hours time. So I want you to have a full dedication and full attention to the program. If you think that after some 10 minutes, 20 minutes or 30 minutes or 1 hour, you have to drop up, you can drop up now. You can join my session next time also. No offense at all. But if you're here, please focus on your complete attention. Okay. And be with me for the entire duration. This is not going to be a boring session. I am not here to give you any yarn. It is all the real world experience. You are going to use this thing for a massive hike. That is my promise to you. Okay. Perfect. Okay, fine, Suman. Excellent. And at the end, you are going to get a data science evangelist test. Okay, and you will be getting the score. And those who are with me, in order to appreciate your time, I'm going to give you some cool gifts. You are going to get a world-class data science profile template. It is just 2-page template that you will be getting in. Second, I'm going to also give you top 15 data science questions and answer. You can use the thing for your interview. And also the cover letter so that you can use this thing during your interview process and all there. And the report excellent are there. Now, many of you have just pinged me and you wanted my introduction as well. So is it okay? Can I take another 2 to 3 minutes to introduce myself, my journey, and why I have started this program? Okay, do I have your permission? If yes, just mention PG, permission granted. Just mention PG, permission granted. Okay, Harinath, thank you. Guru Prasad, thank you. Super awesome. Thank you, Suman. Thank you, Guru Prasad. Thank you, Mohammed. Thank you, Praveen. Thank you, Krishna. Krishna. Excellent. So let me quickly introduce myself. So as you know, my name is Manoj Gupta, and this is my startup. This is called Rethink Career Hub. I am a founder of Rethink Career Hub RCH, and I am currently full-time employment. I am working as a solution director and chief data architect. As far as my education goes, I have done my graduation from NIT Jamshedpur in electrical engineering. So here you can see I'm not coming from computer science background or IT background. I am coming from core electrical background. My first job was in NHPC, National Hydroelectric Power Plant. Okay, so if I can transition myself into data science, you can also your leaders. You all can do this thing quite well. Okay, so there's no problem at all. Do not think that it is always for PhD or doctorate or say IT professional and all. It is across all the industry. After coming into the industry, that I have done my post-graduation from IIT Stuart School of Business, Chicago, with specialization in business analytics and data science specialization. That is my educational background. And some key notes about me. I have overall 20 years plus of global top MNC like experience as a data scientist. I am working as a chief data scientist in Capgemini right now. I am also university certified global career coach and mentor. I am doing this program for last 10 years plus for my corporate employees. And just to give you a little small story on this, that like I used to invite a lot of people along with my corporate employees to attend the program on data science, because data science is going to change many of the people's life there. So many times it so happened that they started requesting, sir, why only you have confined this program to the corporate professional, to your company only? Expand this into other working professionals also, so that they can get the right mentorship, guidance, and the real industry exposure, and it will help them to get into the data science job. So basically that inspired me to join and bring this program and design in such a way that everyone gets the best part of this and benefit out of this program. Also, I am quite into recruitment. I have done now more than 4,800 plus professionals hiring for my organization. Even after this program, I have to go to my company, because there would be at least 40 or 50 people for walk-in interviews. They would be lined up. So I need to conduct those things. So that is what my my overall short descriptions is there. So during this time, I have been associated with General Electric, GE, Capgemini, Jensa Technology, and Cognizant. So these are the four major companies that I have worked in for last 20 years. I have been keynote speaker into the World Forum, multiple places out there, Innovation World, NASSCOM, you might be knowing NASSCOM. I am always a keynote speaker in NASSCOM for many of their leading technologies, part of this data science, digital economy and all. I am also a certified Agile Scrum Master, so I do a lot of program on Agile and Safe Summit and all there. I am also being invited in many other top-notch institutes like IIT, ISB, IIMs, triple IITs and all, as a guest lecturer for the industrial relationship. So I conduct multiple programs out there in all the top-notch organization, institutes and all for their corporate relationship there. And I conduct a lot of question and answer session and all with them. Before the pandemic, you can see I conduct this session in person. It was like physical session and the workshop and all that, but now everything is virtual. So that is how I'm conducting this thing virtually, and now you can correlate. That is why I am emphasizing a lot to keep you engaged. Answer me. So if I'm saying typing, so please type this thing so that you are active into the thing, and you will be able to understand this thing quite well. These are my people who have been trained by me, and they are part of the different geography altogether. People are there from Coimbatore, from Chennai, from say Aurangabad, from Pune, from Mumbai, from Kolkata, from Gurgaon, across multiple sessions where I conduct the session out there. And few of them you can see here, it's all international, like from Singapore, from Malaysia, from Miami, USA, from Atlanta, from many other places out there where I conduct the session and have been awarded into multiple there. This is the first batch of my data scientists who have been passed out from Center of Excellence in Kuala Lumpur in Malaysia. So you can see now these people are working in the top-notch organization in data as a data scientist out there across the globe. This is my book that is on data science. It is called Customer Data Platform. It is available at Amazon. I have written this book primarily on artificial intelligence and customer data platform, so that people get the real world understanding and all. And this book you will be getting in at the end of the session during your enrollment for the program, and it will be available to you as well. And it will be shipped to your address as well there. And thank you all, because this is one of the best selling book available in worldwide into 15 different languages, okay, across the world. And it is one of the best selling book in data science. If you can simply type in Amazon customer data platform Manoj Gupta, you will be able to see this book. Okay, thank you all for this. So that was my quick introduction. Back in 2018, almost like after spending close to 12 years in the USA, I came back to India, and now I am based out of my head of like office in Hyderabad. And my mission is to empower 100,000 working professionals and mid-career professionals to get a high-paying job in data science space with massive hike using my data science Apex blueprint. And let me tell you why. See, as I told you that I am quite into recruitment. I recruit a lot of people and all. And I know almost close to 80 to 90% people are in underpaid situation. Like say they have 15 years, 20 years, 25 years of experience, 10 years of experience. Still their salary is peanuts, very, very small. And you know what the reason? The reason is that they are not able to percolate well. They are not able to demand the salary they deserve. That is the problem. They are not able to bring the value proposition they have already into this. So that is why they are into underpaid situation. With my data science Apex blueprint, I want to empower them, make them industry ready, so that they are not only able to get a very good job, they are able to command a massive, massive hike there. So that is what I'm going to talk about in the entire session today. Okay, so that was in brief about me. Was this impressive? If you found this thing impressive, just mention super impressive SI in the comment box. Super impressive SI in the comment box if you find this thing impressive. Thank you, Mahesh. Thank you, Agamjeet. Thank you, Praveen. Perfect. Thank you, Mohammed. Super awesome, Guru, Ravi. Excellent. Right. So that was in brief about my introduction. Yeah. Now let me start on this and give you a complete understanding that you are at right place, my friend. Okay, if you are thinking to get into data science, okay, machine learning and artificial intelligence for weeks, months and all, and you are quite complex, you are perplexed into this, like you have a lot of ambiguity whether I should go for this or not, and how to start, where to start, and all those things. If that you are in situation, you are at right place, my friend, because here you're going to learn each thing step-by-step process, and I'm giving you a complete clarity about your data science journey. So you are at the right place if you think you are considering data science in a place, but you are quite confused about that. Okay. So let me give you some other understanding that it does not matter whatever background you are coming from. See, data science is not a rocket science. It is not a, like you need to be technically ultra brilliant. It does not need that. It just need a common sense where you can solve a business problem. That's it. And if you have that common sense, you will be successful in data science. It does not need whatever background you are coming from. Whether you are coming from BA, BCom, BCS, BSc and all, you are most welcome in the world of data. But you need to be graduate. That is the only thing. It does not need that you need to be science graduate, or you need to be engineering graduate, or you need to be PhD and doctorate. So you can easily transition into data science and you can command massive height out there. So the most important thing is that, as you all know, that AI is changing the entire world. Machine learning is changing the entire world. So learn machine before machine learns you and make you obsolete. Very, very important, a powerful point into this. Because we are inventor of machine and all, so understand the machine first. Okay, learn the machine before machine learning learns you and make you outdated, right? So that, I mean, later on there would not be any repent, and you will be just repenting, and there's no other like remedy to this. So learn machine before machine learns you, and makes yourself skilled enough to survive in this market. So I have a quick poll for you. Okay, so this is, I have done this thing more than 10,000 people now. Okay, so just wanted your view as well, that what stage you are in. I am giving you 3 scenarios. So let me know you are at stage 1, stage 2, or stage 3. Stage 1 is that you do not have any idea or guidance about data science and how you can get a job into data science. That is number 1. Stage 2 means you are aware of, but you are getting the interview calls. Okay, and the thing is that, like, you are aware of the opportunity and all, but you are not able to get the much interview calls and all. And the third is you are getting the calls, you are getting the offer letter, but the offer is not good enough for you to jump the board. So what stage you are in? Can you just explain what stage you are in? Okay, so we have got the first answer. Senthil Kumar saying stage 1. Okay, Guru Prasad saying stage 1. Rahul is saying stage 1. Ravi is saying stage 1. Okay, then Oasis that is saying stage 1. Okay, most of you, just everyone, just mention Roshan saying is like 1. Okay, Aziz is saying 1, Asa is saying 1, excellent. Okay, so most of you are there in stage 1, right? Actually, 80% people fall into the stage 1 where they have no idea or guidance about the data science. So let me put this thing that way. Now, if I have done this poll across multiple people, like 10,000 plus 10,285 people, and this is the top 3 regions. Okay, the first challenge the people have, 41.1% people have, that they do not have any idea or guidance about data science, that what type of opportunity it can provide. 29% people have the problem about the job readiness. They are not ready for the job. They do not know how to prepare and all. And the third one is 19.4% population says that they are not sure what technology they need to choose to continue with their career and all. So let me give you a complete understanding about this thing. And these are all the 3 challenges that we solve within our class itself. So let me give you this understanding that first we will focus on, we'll start with the data science opportunity as we see now. And then we'll talk about more about what to master in data science and how to master it, and then the step-by-step guide that how you can become eventually a data scientist. Then I will do a scholarship program for you and this test Q&A test so that you know exactly how successfully you'll be into data science. Okay, so that is there. And now let me tell you one other thing, that with this, I'm also going to give you a formula, a proven formula, how you can come on 3 lakhs per month or above salary. Yes, you heard it right. It is 3 lakhs per month or above salary in there. Let me tell you this thing. If I promise you that you will be able to get this type of salary, provided you pay attention 100% in your program and complete all the assignment there. Okay, if that is the case, you will be able to command this or above this in data science space. That is how the potential is altogether. Okay, so before starting now, how many you want to be a data scientist this year? Data scientist in 23. Just mention DS 23 if you want to be data scientist in 23 and come on 3 lakhs per month or above salary. If you is that the person, just mention DS 23. Okay, we have Guru Prasad. Okay, great. Rahul, we have Rahul. Welcome, Rahul. Suman. Okay, great. Perfect. Everyone, just type DS23. If Roshan, DS23, excellent. So you all, those who are writing this thing, you all eventually become a data scientist and come on 3 lakhs per month and above salary, provided whatever guidance I'm giving you, just spend your time dedicatedly into this and come on that type of salary there. Okay, perfect, super awesome. So let's understand this thing. So next like 10 minutes, I'm going to discuss about the explosion of opportunity in data science, and post that 10 minutes, I'm going to talk about how you can master into data science. Followed by 10 minutes, you will be understanding step-by-step learning path into data science. And after that, I'm going to give you the scholarship. And then I'm talking about mostly about your data science question, that test, how like that test gives you understanding how successful you'll be into data science. So that way we will progress further. So let's understand what are the opportunity we have into data science space. So if you see Harvard Business Review, it is one of the topmost college university worldwide. They talk about and they research about all the top-notch organization and jobs about this. So as per the HBR, you can go and search in the Google, you can see 10-page documents around this, but I'm just giving you a snapshot of this. It is said that data scientists in this year, in this century, 21st century, it is the hottest job, the sexiest job of 21st century. And they have given the reason for this. And the reason is that it is high paying job. Second, the opportunity is very high and you will be working close to the top-notch organization, real to the like top-notch mind into this. So that is what this is, a topmost or sexiest job of 21st century. Second is the Glassdoor. See, Glassdoor is another marketing research agency related to the job market and all. So out of 25 best jobs, okay, in India and abroad, means outside country, in top 25 jobs, data scientist remains number 1. And the reason is that because of the salary structure it provides, second is because of the career opportunity it provides, and the third one is because of the base medium salary. with all those things, Glassdoor considered data scientist is one of the best paying job out of 25 best paying job. And the market size and projection is very, very high. You can simply see here that in next 4 to 5 years, we are going to explode like anything. It is $7.8 billion opportunity by 2026 in India and close to $310 billion opportunity globally. It simply means this, that next 4 to 5 years, we are going to have 11.5 million new jobs. Means 1.15 crore new jobs would be there in this space. So do you want to miss out that opportunity? Do you want to miss out those job opportunity that is going to give you the massive hike, massive salary in data science space? Of course not, right? Just mention no in the account box. If you do not want to miss this opportunity, just mention no in the account box. Super awesome. Thank you. Thank you. And again, this is not like I have cooked anything or I have prepared anything. This is as per the IDC report. It is the best research institute worldwide. They provide this. So you can simply search IDC report and you get all the details in their website itself. Now, secondly, like since we have also a lot of people who are working into different segments or industry and all. So as per the LinkedIn, the job data in the student's office is like almost going 650% hike, and it is 11.5 million new job opportunity are going to be there by 2026. So that is the growth we are talking about. It's a huge potential growth into this market. And the demand in India is exploding like anything. Almost every year, if you see, 400% growth is there year-on-year basis. That is the demand that we are seeing here. And again, do not get confused. It is not only for IT. Do not say like, okay, data science is IT job. No, not at all. Data science is applicable across world, across all the sectors. Data science is applicable from banking sector, BFSI, pharmaceuticals, e-commerce, energy and utility, media and entertainment, telecom, and all those sectors there. Data science are applicable. Okay, 1 minute. Let me just quickly check the comments. Perfect. Thank you. Yes, 1 minute. Let me just save this. Okay. Now you can see like this the situation and see like what is the trend of the salary. Okay, if you see the salary from 2018 for data science space, it is keep growing further and further and further. It is exponential growth in this segment altogether. And what are the top-notch company who are hiring the data scientists? It is the technology company, healthcare, pharmaceuticals, consumer, logistics, manufacturing, across all. Just name it, you will see the top-notch company in that specific sector are working and finding out data scientists there. Okay, so the opportunity is quite big. And let me ask you this question, that what do you think? What is driving this revolution? We talk about 400% growth. We talk about 11.5 crore new job opportunity, 11.5 million new job opportunity and all. So what is driving this entire revolution? What is the 4-letter word that drives this entire revolution? Can you anyone suggest what do you think? What is this revolution all about? Very good. So we got the answer so fast. Aramji Bagga saying, Baba is saying that data. Yes, absolutely, you are right. So it is data itself who is creating. Okay, Ravi Gupta is saying data. Everyone, increase in data and rise in internal usage. Super awesome. Senthil Kumar, awesome. Rahul, very good. Increase in data and rise in internet. Roshan, super awesome. Udayan, Ravi, you all are great guys. Digitization. Excellent. Very nice. Super answer. Amit saying data. Right. It is data itself who is creating such a revolution. See, you can see now we are into 5G. It has started with 2G, 3G and all. And the bandwidth was limited. Mbps was limited. You might be knowing that it was taking 5 minutes or 10 minutes to download a simple movie there, right? But now you can do this thing with a lightning fast speed. It goes that way because of the 5G is there into picture. The more and more data is there into the ecosystem, it means that we need to analyze more and more data. In order to analyze the data, we need data analyst, data scientist, data science professional, data engineers and all to analyze the data and solve a business problem, right? So more data directly proportional to more engineers, more requirement, more data scientists. That is how this entire thing is driven. And now, You can see that data is the new economy. It is called the new oil. And because those who have control on the data, they can command the world. Simply say, I'll just take two examples. Very good story. One is Uber, or say Ola, or say simply say Airbnb. We all have used Ola or say Uber. How it works? Uber has created a data platform in which it has connected to the receiver, like those who are getting the service and those who are providing the service, like say car driver. Car driver is there, and the person, like say for me, if I have to travel to airport, I just go and book the car. So they have knowledge about me and the car driver, and they are able to connect us using the data platform. And that is what the model they have. And because of this data connectivity, they are getting the revenue. So because of all those things, data is the new platform now, and it is new economy or new oil. It is creating a humongous amount of opportunity and the revenue to the organization. Now, do you want to know the super hack? Okay. As a data scientist, you have seen the opportunity, 11.5 million opportunity, so much jobs are there. And again, it is all high paying job in the top-notch organization, but it is not easy to get a high paying job in data science. So there is a super hack is there. Let me tell you another thing. See, there is no secret to success. Mind it. There is no secret to success. There is a method to success. If you follow the method, you will be successful. And I will teach you the methods there. Okay. There is no any secret or secret sauce as such. No. So do you want to know what is the super hack? How you can command a high paying job in data science? If yes, just mention BIO. Bring it on. BIO. Super awesome. So Mahesh Babu is saying, Amit is saying, Guru Prasad is saying, Roshan is saying, Senthil Kumar is saying, Shuman is saying, excellent. So let's bring it on. Guys, this is one of your best thing to note down. Okay, so please take a note. Yes, Mahesh Babu, perfect. Just take a note of this and you will understand how you can command a best paying or high paying job in data science. Okay, let me give you the super hack. Okay. So in this space, the first of all, what industry is looking for? Okay, you need to understand what company is looking for. You need to understand. Okay, so the first point is your customized data science profile. See, you are not there in front of the hiring manager or say talent acquisition manager or the hiring crew there. There is your profile. That is the first thing there. So your profile, how much time they give to take a look at your profile? Hardly 5 seconds. 3 to 5 seconds. Within 3 to 5 seconds, they decide your fate or our fate, whether I should be calling Mahesh or not, I should be calling Shuman or not, I should be calling Rakesh or not. Within 5 seconds, they decide. So your profile should be world class. It should stand you out from the crowd. And we are going to give like 2 hours dedicated workshop only for the data science profile itself. Okay, so that is number one. You should have a very strong profile. Does not matter if you have experience or not. We can make your profile very strong, and there's a way to do this thing through keyword monetization. Second is your project portfolio. Let's understand. See, company is not for charity. They are not giving you money just like a charity. They are giving the money because they value the skills that you have, the value you bring to the organization. So that is why we are being paid. So we need to do this a real world project, not a dummy project. See, most of the institute you go, they will talk about COVID project, pandemic project, Titanic project, train project, cow project, dog project like this. It is all crap. I'm sorry to say, but it is a BS. Let me be very frank. The moment you go to in front of the customer interview and all, and we'll talk about this, straightforward, there would be rejection. And simply because why they are doing that? Because they know that you have just done the dummy or superficial project. You do not have understanding about the real world scenario. And 99% institute and the data science program, they do the same thing. But you need to bring the real world project, like the project related to Johnson & Johnson, project related to Bank of America, project related to BMW, project related to Tata Communication, project related to HSBC Bank, project related to Royal Bank of Canada. That type of project, once you talk about the real world scenario, your profile is distinct. And that's why you are able to command that type of salary. The third point is, most important is your interview readiness. See, I'm giving you another best clue. Your first 30 seconds in interview decides your 30 minutes how you will be performing in the interview. Your 30 seconds decides that your fate. Because if I am your interviewer or talent acquisition manager, or I am your panel, within the first 30 seconds, I decide whether I should be taking this person or not within my organization. So your interview should be very perfect. You should be ready for the mock interview at least 2 to 3 times so that you can mock interview anywhere. So these are the super 3 hacks that is required to become a super successful data scientist, command the salary you deserve, and get the company you want to work in. Was this super awesome? It was super awesome. Just mention SA in the comment box. Super awesome. Was this a super awesome hack? If it was super awesome, just mention SA in the comment box. Super awesome. Excellent. Super. Thank you, Guru. Thank you, Ranjan Bhai. Thank you, Udyan. Excellent. Perfect. Now, let's understand that how it has helped. So using this, okay, many of my students who have undergone with me about the workshop, like I conduct 2 hours workshop to complete first the data, like the data science professional work, profiling and all, and after that close to 3 months time to build the entire foundation part of this, and after that we conduct multiple mock round interviews. So these are the examples. Like you can watch this thing in YouTube. Okay, I can share you the link of YouTube. Just let me give you 1 minute. Data science. I just shared you the link, okay, in YouTube. You can simply go and watch all this successful story in the here. This is my YouTube channel, okay. All my successful students are there in as a Hall of Fame interview, and they are conducting, and they are saying about their journey, how this program has helped them, and how they are able to get that type of salary there. Like people who will say 10 years of experience, 8 years experience, even 5 years experience, they're able to get 35 lakh salary, 45 lakh salary, 75 lakh salary, 65 lakh salary, and all. So that type of salary we are talking about. But you need to like command onto these 3 things. Once you have this command, you can command the salary you deserve. Okay. Well, this is super powerful. Just mention SP in the comment box if you found this thing super powerful. Perfect. Very nice. So now you can see the person like say Bachasu Sharma. He was college pass out, just final year. He has trust in himself. He has faith in me. Okay. And then he said, sir, I know you are going to give me a great chance and I'm going to crack that type of job. With 0 years of experience, he got into Samsung just after college pass out, 14 LPA, 14 lakhs per annum job. And you can watch his entire Hall of Fame video here in this YouTube channel. Okay. In my Hall of Fame interview there. Okay. Ajay Reddy, he has around 7 years of experience working in, like earlier he was working in other MNC, but after that, once he completed the program and understand this entire 6-step process and how to get a massive hike, he joined TCS with 7 years of experience, 18 LPA job, 80 lakhs per annum. That is how it is all about. The third person, Vinod Gupta, he got as a program manager into AT&T, just 12 years of experience, 28 LPA job that he has got after completing the program. So this is so powerful. It is giving you the massive information about that. You can simply go and type this YouTube channel and the one that I have already given you, the mastermind program, and then you can do this thing quite well. Okay. So this is how people are able to get that type of salary. So let me give you some live example. Okay. I'm not going to give you some dummy thing. Let me stop it here. And let me show you the real world scenario. Okay. Simply what you can do, you can go to LinkedIn. Okay. Let me share you my screen once again, and you see the real world scenario. Okay. What is the data science requirement? I am there at my LinkedIn profile. Okay. In this search bar, you simply go here and just type data analyst. Okay. Jobs. So you can see all the data analyst jobs are listed out here. Okay, if simply I can go and just mention data analyst here. Okay, you can see like almost if you see everything, it will be close to 1 lakh plus job opportunity there into data science space itself. Similarly, if you can go and you can simply search, let me just search all the results. Say data scientist in job. See, data scientist job in India, right now you can see almost 1,14,000 live jobs are there. So that is why I'm saying there is no lack of job or there is no lack of opportunity in data science space. It is the problem only with the skill set. People have just dummy skills. They have just developed some tangential skill. वो क्या करते हैं, जाते हैं YouTube पे और कई फ्री क्लास में और वहां पे कुछ कर लेते हैं और अपने को बोलते हैं कि मैं अब डेटा साइंटिस्ट हूँ. और जब आप उसको कस्टमर के सामने रखते हैं फॉर द वॉक इन इंटरव्यूज एंड ऑल, 2 क्वेश्चन का भी आंसर वो सही से नहीं दे पाता. किसी भी रियल वर्ल्ड के सिनेरियो के बारे में आप बात करो, ही इज नॉट एबल टू गिव यू एनी अंडरस्टैंडिंग एंड ऑल, एंड देन दे विल से दैट ओके देयर इज नो जॉब एंड ऑल. अरे पहले स्किल तो डेवलप करो. Once you have the skill, there is no lack of opportunity here. Data scientist position 1,14,000. If you simply go and search here, data analyst job, another 1 lakh plus jobs are there. Data analyst, like data analyst job, almost 1,14,000, 1,20,000 data analyst jobs are there. And what you need to do, just यहाँ पे जाकर के alert को जो है ना on कर दो आप. Okay, here set alert. Okay, just make it on, just like this, simple. Green signal आपको दिखना चाहिए. And with this, you will be getting all the new job opportunity indirectly at your email. What this aha moment? If that was aha moment, just mention AH, aha moment. Just mention AH if you found this thing, aha moment. So that type of 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 5 lakhs jobs are there in the market. But the problem is that people are not able to utilize this thing because they do not have the right skill. Okay. Just mention AH, aha moment if you find this thing. Super awesome. Thank you, Mahesh. Thank you, Rahul. Thank you, Udyan. Thank you. Right. So that is why I'm saying, okay, now let me give you other understanding, other examples. So this is all the real world scenario. Okay. So there is no lack of opportunity. It is only how you can manage this thing. Okay. Let me show you the next one here. So now you can see that in the data center, like say how many opportunities are there. So 2 lakhs plus you have already seen. Now, the second question is how I can help you. So this many opportunities, how I can help you into data science space. As I told you, I am working as a solution director and chief data architect in Capgemini. And we also have thousands plus opportunity open for data science position. Okay. And what we do not publish our thing into LinkedIn or job profile and all. We prefer through reference. We have our employee base. We say that, okay, you go and refer your friend. Okay. And if they are good enough, we will hire them. And with reference, we are hiring them. And you know, for each position, if you go to LinkedIn and all, there will be hundreds, 200, 500 applicants. But here in this case, you will be using my reference and applying for the job directly. Here you can see why join Capgemini, and these all are the job opportunities, like data science job opportunity in Lisbon, in Europe, technology consultant in South Carolina, data science R&D research department in Mumbai, New Jersey. So across globe, multiple thousands of jobs and all are there. So you can use my reference and apply for those jobs. So that way it will be very fast and you will be able to get into a much better job opportunity. Was this super awesome? If that was super awesome, just mention essay in the comment box. Super awesome. Perfect. So that is the opportunity, and that is how I can help you in your career journey. Use my reference and apply for the job. Just build the skills, okay, with the real world scenario. No dummy, no COVID project, no pandemic project, no Titanic project, no train, no car, no guy project, okay? Real world project karna hai aapko. Perfect. Super awesome. Thank you. This chat box is flooded with your response. Thank you. Thank you for your active participation. Now, I am taking another 10 minutes to give you the understanding what to master in data science. See, data science आपको सब कुछ नहीं सीखना है. Data science में सिर्फ आपको इतना सीखना है जो आपको इंडस्ट्री रेडी बनाए. See, आपके पास बहुत सारे skills हैं that may not be required by the industry. So only develop those skills that is required by the industry. और मैं आपको वही बताऊंगा जो इंडस्ट्री के लिए required है. See, I am not here, as I told you, I am not here to give you any ज्ञान. I am talking about the real experience, what I conduct my interviews with my panel members and all. and what I expect or industry expect from them. So that type of things you are going to get it from here. Yes, I am going to give the real world profile situation and all there. Hold on. Okay. Now, let me give you this understanding. Okay, perfect. So, how to become the data scientist and all. So, let's understand that what you need to do for this there. Okay. So, next is like how you can do into data science and what area you need to master on, right? So, let me ask you a very simple question. And this simple question, because you all have mentioned DS23 as data science 23 is your area you want to focus on. So can I ask you a very simple question? What do you think? What is data science? Give me any simple answer. I do not want any bookish answer. कोई bookish answer या technical answer देने का जरूरत नहीं है. Whatever you think about data science, you can answer it. Science behind data. Excellent. Super awesome, Rahul ji. Guru is saying analyzing the data. Super awesome. Yes, analyzing the data is part of data science. What else? Study on data. Okay. Udyan Ghosh is saying. Super awesome, Udyan. Okay. What else? Everyone, please keep going. Analysis specific needs. Okay. Santhal Kumar is saying. Excellent. I will keep this thing super simple for you. Super simple for you. Let's understand what is data science. Okay. So as you understand, data science is a combination of two words, data and science. Okay. I cannot make this thing more simple and you won't agree more with me on this topic. So data science, how it works, it is a combination of data and science. Data means facts or numbers and science means set of techniques. A set of techniques that works on the data to find a pattern to solve a business problem. That is what data science is all about. So a set of techniques that works on the data, find some value to solve a business problem. That is what the data science. And this is what you need to talk about during your interview. They will understand that you are not talking any bookish thing. You are not talking of any jargon. You are talking straight from the heart. And this is what make you different from other crowd. Okay. Super awesome. Osis is saying analysis of data requirement. Rajan Bhai is saying operation on data, making data. Excellent. Right. Perfect. I think more or less you understand this thing. So if I have to put this thing in a more formal way, how to define the data science. So you can take a note of this. You can say data science is an interdisciplinary field that uses set of scientific method, processes, algorithm, and system to extract value from the data and solve a business problem. So this is the official definition you can use. This thing, take a note of this or take a screenshot. The most important thing here you need to focus on is interdisciplinary field. It's an interdisciplinary, means it is across all the discipline, whether it is HR function, it is a finance function, it is supply chain, it is robotics, it is medical science, it is a life science, automobile, aerospace, medical science, retail, manufacturing, whatever area you're coming from, everywhere data science is applicable. Right? So if I have to put this thing in a more structured format, so you can think of data science as a 3 levers or 3 paradigm or 3 dimension or 3 क्या बोलते हैं आधार आप समझ सकते हैं 3 base camp of this. So first is your domain knowledge, how good you are in your domain, and domain means your sector knowledge, like you are coming from retail, you are coming from banking, you are coming from investment. तो वहां का जो आपका knowledge है ना वो सबसे important है. In order to make you successful data scientist, 70%. I'm sorry, there was some call. 70% importance goes your domain expertise. आप किस sector से आ रहे हो? 10% जाता है मैथमेटिक्स में, 20% जाता है प्रोग्रामिंग में. और मैथमेटिक्स भी कौन सा जो आप अप्लाइड मैथमेटिक्स यूज करते हो. द मैथमेटिक्स यू यूज इन ए अप्लाइड फॉर्म, like not a theoretical mathematics. Just like say for example differential calculus, linear algebra, linear equation and all, where we can talk about the linear regression कि आपका साड़ी कैसे बढ़ता है, mean, median, mode, standard deviation, these type of things that works in the real world that we talk about. And everyone knows this thing because we are talking about up to 10th standard math. This is what you need to know, but in the applied format. Second is the programming, and programming is what you know. It is just like a broken English. जैसे मैंने Alexa को command दिया, hey Alexa, switch on television, right? So जैसे मैंने command दिया and Alexa, so what it does, it takes my natural language processing, जो मेरा accent है उससे वो ले करके, in machine learning में इसको process करते हैं, it converts this thing into machine format, and then the command process further. So that type of thing that you need to develop. Only you need to command in one of the area, you will be successful data scientist. So as a data scientist, what process is required? So it is called OSMN framework, OSEMN. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग करते क्या है डेटा साइंस में? We obtain the data, जहाँ पे जैसा आपको रियल डेटा मिल रहा है, like say for example, you are getting stock market data or you are getting some live stream, factory से जो sensor data आता है, right? तो those data you obtain the data, clean the data, जिसमें noise है, just remove all the noise and all, explore the data, make this thing as a model and deploy the model to give you prediction. अभी मैं एग्जांपल बताता हूँ क्या. Suppose a flight has took off, okay, from Mumbai airport और उसको दिल्ली में लैंड करना है. तो how successfully it will land to Delhi, that I can forecast using machine learning. तो ये जो मेरा इंटरप्रेटर मॉडल है वो बतलाता है 99.9% this aircraft Boeing 373 is going to land to Delhi airport safely. अगर से हीथ्रो से उड़ रहा है, राइट, फ्लाइट इज टेकिंग ऑफ फ्रॉम मुंबई एयरपोर्ट एंड इट हैज टू लैंड टू अटलांटा और हीथ्रो, हाउ सेफली इट विल गो देयर. तो ये सारा जो प्रिडिक्शन है दैट वी डू यूजिंग द मशीन लर्निंग मॉडल. If a patient comes in, right, उसका मैं MRI स्कैन करता हूँ. With MRI scan, with the data comes into the machine talks about whether the person has difficult type of cancer or moderate type of cancer or it's a simple type of cancer. What type of cancer is this? What type of diagnosis is required? वो हम लोग मशीन लर्निंग से करते हैं. So this is the entire process what we do in the data science. Okay, I hope it is a super simple and super clear to you. एंड आपका क्वेश्चन रहेगा कि यार डेटा साइंटिस्ट में हम लोग करते क्या ऑफिस में, मतलब व्हाट इज द वर्क यू एक्सपेक्ट फ्रॉम देयर. तो जस्ट टेक ए नोट ऑफ दिस, टेक ए स्क्रीनशॉट. डेटा साइंस में आपको रॉकेट साइंस नहीं करना है. यू डू नॉट नीड टू बी टेक्निकली अल्ट्रा ब्रिलियंट. नो, इट इज जस्ट ए मिथ. Data science is a simplistic thing where you need to solve a business problem of your customer. So first, in order to solve the business problem, you need to understand the business problem itself. So problem analyze karo, problem statement, collect the data to solve the business problem, analyze the data, explore the data, and then using a storytelling formula and process, talk about this thing and inform this to your customer. See, customer को jargon समझ में नहीं आता. Customer will not understand technical thing. उनको business समझ में आता है. So you need to talk to them in a story form. Okay, create a story. Okay, talk about the situation and explain him in his business language. Then you are a successful data scientist. I hope it makes sense and you're super clear about your role as a future data scientist in the top-notch organization. I'm just giving you a mirror. Just reflect onto this. This is exactly what you're going to do and what we do and my entire team does there across all the organization. I'm not just talking about anything specific. तो अभी आपका क्वेश्चन अगर होता है and if you're confused, I have lot of things like data analysis है, data scientist है, machine learning है, deep learning है, artificial intelligence है, all lot of jargons and all are there. So let me make this thing super simple to you. What is this all about? And you will never get confused about this thing. So let me put this thing into this entire thing in a simplistic picture there. So you can think of data science को ब्रह्मांड समझ लो, universe. It's an ecosystem. Within that, one side you have data analytics, जहाँ पे हम लोग historical data को analyze करते हैं, and the other side it is artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. And ये क्या होता है? Basically, if you are making a machine to take a decision by themselves without any human intervention, that is called artificial intelligence. It is taking, it has its artificial intelligence. It is taking its own intelligence because of the data it has, because of the historical information it has. It does not need any human to intervene. Just a simple example, अगर मेरे पास driverless car है, or like you have all heard of Tesla, right? Tesla में driverless car है, तो car can take its own decision. If I have to stop, I have to go fast, I have to take right, I have to take left, how I can go there, right? It does not need any human brain out there. So that type of thing is called artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is an application deployed on cloud. उसको बनाने के लिए machine learning model लगता है. तो machine learning basically an entire algorithm, a process through which we build the model, and this model is deployed as an artificial intelligence application on the cloud. That's all. And deep learning, जब उसी को हम subset पे जाते हैं, तो that is called deep learning. जैसे natural language processing, जब आप किसी को voice को command देते हैं, just Alexa, switch on the television. So that goes through NLP, natural language processing. So that is a simplistic form through which it processes, it understands your accent and it processes this. So I hope it is making a complete sense and you are quite clear about data analytics, artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, computer vision and all, and you are able to correlate this thing quite well. Okay. Was this super simple? If it was super simple, just mention SS in the account box. If you find this thing super simple. Thank you, Anujit. Once again, sir. Okay, Mohammed, I will just do that. Analogy of data requirement for business. Absolutely, sir. Okay. तो इसको आप ये समझिए, थैंक यू फॉर ऑल योर इनपुट. तो डेटा साइंस इज ए इकोसिस्टम. ओके, इट्स लाइक ए यूनिवर्स. ये आप समझ सकते हैं कि ये ब्रह्मांड है. ओके, द एंटायर यूनिवर्स. उसके वन साइड में देयर इज ए डेटा एनालिटिक्स. डेटा एनालिटिक्स का मतलब है कि वी एनालाइज द पास्ट डेटा, हिस्टोरिकल डेटा. जस्ट लाइक से अगर आपके पास 5 इयर्स का मॉनसून इंफॉर्मेशन है, you can give a forecast what would be the monsoon situation next month or next quarter and all. So that type of depiction comes while we are doing the data analysis and all there. So that is part of the data analysis where we analyze the past data. That is data analysis. On the other side, it is called artificial intelligence. In artificial intelligence, iska simple matlab hai you make this machine, like say if I have this machine, I am making this machine powerful enough, it can take its own decision. Okay, just like say driverless car, usme driver nahi hai, there is no human involved, right? The car with their intelligence take its own decision कि मुझे fast जाना है, slow जाना है, right turn लेना, left turn लेना है, all those things. So those are the example of artificial intelligence. It means that you are making your machine successful enough, capable enough that it can take its decision without any human intervention. That is what artificial intelligence is. और जब इसका प्रोग्राम को हम जब रन करते हैं, इसको जो प्रोग्राम बिल्ड करते हैं, that is part of machine learning. So machine learning uses the data to learn from there, okay, and then we deploy them as an artificial intelligence application on the cloud. So that is what is artificial intelligence. So AI, आप समझ सकते हैं, it's a superset. Within that, machine learning is a subset and deep learning is another subset. So likewise, this is the entire hierarchy altogether. Okay, I hope you are quite clear now. Super clear. Thank you, Suman. Thank you, Senthil. Oasis and Mohammed ji, hope it is quite clear to you as well. Udyan goes, perfect. Super clear. Oasis, okay. I know. Okay. Just mention super simple if you are clear on this. Perfect. Now, your hierarchy, right? आपका study कैसे होना चाहिए? See, do not jump, okay? And it is all the proven thing. तो ऐसा नहीं करो कि पहले ये learn कर लो unnecessary. Do not put cart before horse, okay? Let it be after horse only, okay? So first, in order to learn the data science, you need to start with data analytics first, then go to machine learning and artificial intelligence. So that way, it is subsequent way of learning this. Just like say, for example, if you have to do the graduation, तो पहले आपने admission लिया undergrad program के लिए, तो first year करते हैं, then second year, then go to third year. Third year तो आप पहले नहीं करते ना, तो do not jump to artificial intelligence and all. First complete data analytics, go for machine learning and then artificial intelligence. So that should be the path. तो data analytics में क्या करते हैं हम? We analyze the past data. मशीन लर्निंग में क्या करते हैं? वी कैप्चर द डेटा एंड वी डू द फोरकास्ट कि अगले साल ये मॉनसून कैसा रहेगा, या व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ अकरिंग द अर्थक्वेक, और से सिंपली व्हाट विल बी माय फोरकास्ट, व्हाट इज द डिमांड फोरकास्ट एंड ऑल, व्हाट विल बी माय रेवेन्यू नेक्स्ट ईयर. अब जैसे मैं एक छोटा स्टोरी बताता हूं आपको कि आप अमेजोन पे जाओ और आप सिंपली एक लैपटॉप का ऑर्डर कर दो. ओके, वो लैपटॉप का असेंबली गुड़गांव में होता है और से आप मुंबई में ऑर्डर कर रहे हो, वो बोलेगा कि 4 घंटे में आपको मिल जाएगा. तो डू यू थिंक कि गुड़गांव से 4 घंटे में मुंबई आकर के आपके डोर स्टॉप पे वो लैपटॉप मिल जाएगा आपको? इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. ओके, तो वो क्या करते हैं? वो डिमांड फोरकास्ट करते हैं यूजिंग मशीन लर्निंग एल्गोरिथम. तो दे नो एग्जैक्टली व्हाट इज द डिमांड वुड बी कमिंग इन नेक्स्ट 1 hour, 2 hours, 5 years. तो वो क्या करते हैं? वो स्टॉक को पहले से मंगा के रखते हैं. तो द मोमेंट न्यू डिमांड कम्स इन, दे विद इन 4 hours दे सप्लाई दैट, 8 hours they supply this. So that is called demand forecasting. Likewise, there is hundreds of case study of the industry where data science is being used are there. मैं दूसरा एग्जांपल आपको बताता हूँ. आप दूसरा अगेन अमेजोन पे जाओ, अमेजोन पे आप कुछ बाय कर लो. बाय करने के बाद वो आपको फिर से रिकमेंडेशन देगा कि लाइक इफ यू हैव बॉट दिस बुक, most probably you're going to buy this book also because the person who has bought this book, they also bought this book. तो वो जो recommendation है, that comes with the machine learning. आप Netflix पे जाते हो, वेब सीरीज देखते हो, मूवी देखते हो, जो आपका recommendation आता है, that is all coming from artificial intelligence and all, where this application is deployed and they give you the recommendation. So all those forecast recommendation and all, everything is now with AI. So we are at the best time right now because in the future, next like 5 years, 10 years and all, it is going to flourish like anything. Okay, so I hope that you got the complete sense. Senthil, actually people are there in India, people are there from days, so many people are requesting me to speak in Hindi. So whatever I'm speaking in Hindi, I am just completing everything in English also. You are not losing a single word there, okay? But I need to cater everyone, so I'm just trying to have both the things together. Hope you understand this aspect. I'm not missing out anything. Whatever I'm teaching in Hindi, I'm also teaching in English also, so that many people who do not understand English completely, they also understand this thing in Hindi. Okay, makes sense? Thank you. Perfect. Now let's understand this thing, that what type of real world project we are talking about. The real project जो आप IKEA के लिए कर सकते हैं, say you have IKEA, you have eBay, Sony. These are the company, they are doing the data science day in and day out. So you have to work of this project. If you are talking about pandemic project, COVID project, train project, COP project, Titanic project, it will be of no use. You are just wasting your time. Because you will put this thing in a profile, the profile will go in dustbin. I'm sorry to say, but that is what happening, and that is what I am also doing along with my team. Across all the industry, they want people with a real world experience. So the moment you talk about Gucci, the moment you talk about HSBC, the moment you talk about Barclay Bank, the moment you talk about Bank of America, the moment you talk about HSBC, so that type of real world project they need. Then only you will be stand out. Like say, for example, we have lot many projects in UAE. So in UAE, like Etisalat, right? HTC, Alphatem. So these are the people who are using data science day in and out. So the moment you talk about this type of project, and that is what I teach during our program there in machine learning and artificial intelligence, that you will be learning these models out there. Then you will understand the real power of data science and how we are solving a business problem. Okay. So I have one assignment for you, very simple assignment. So what you need to do, this is my email address, info@manojgupta.com. Aapko karna kya hai? You simply go to Google, okay, search for your industry data science case study. Okay, you will get thousands of links and it will be of no use. Let me tell you, because that most of the thing would be dummy and all. You can send me your request that I want an industry use case for your industry, and I'm going to give you within 24 hours, I'm going to give you industry specific, because we have done thousands of industry cases in data science space. So we have all different type of use cases. So that is going to help you in your interview. Okay, so that is my promise. 24 hours, you will be getting the response back. Just take a note of this and you can send me your assignment. Okay, just give me a thumbs up if you are all good with this. Right? Perfect. Thank you. Give me just a thumbs up if you're all good with this now. Right. So now with this, many of my students, like say Gaurav, okay, he just had 2 years of experience. He got as an AI expert in Sarthi.ai. It's a startup. He got job into a startup. Similarly, Ruchi Kumar, let me talk about, she has very different career graph altogether. She has around 6 years of experience, and because of her personal need and all, she took break. She was out of job for almost 3 years. 3 to 4 years time frame, and after that, like she wanted to come back to a job, but everyone's saying that you won't be able to get the job because industry has changed, lot of things have changed. Then she joined me in data science program, has continued with me for 10 months, and after completing, she has not got only one job, she got 2 jobs, one in Accenture, the second is in First American Aerospace Company, and her salary was more than double what she was getting earlier. 18.5 lakhs. She has joined as a project lead in data science in First American Bank. Then Shashank, I will show you his case study also. He is from banking sector. He is working in the payroll module, payroll sector and all. After completing the program, he joined in Oracle as a program manager, and his salary with 18 years of experience, 55 lakhs plus, almost 90% hike he has got. I will show you his case study. You can watch all those things in my YouTube channel. I have shared you the YouTube link. You can watch all those things out there. Okay. Perfect. Thank you. Now, let's understand. Now you understand what you need to do, what is data analytics, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and what to do to master into this. Now, another 10 minutes, I'm going to give you a complete roadmap, the learning path, how you can come on into this and how your career progression would be there. And let me tell you once again, it is based on my real world experience. I'm not giving you any gyan here. So just you need to focus on this, try to do 100% implementation. You will eventually be a successful data scientist. And let's see how it is. So this specific career graph has been designed for your understanding. Today, you are there in my data science masterclass. You all are attending it. Your next 3 months, you need to devote into foundation program, where you need to build your foundation in data analysis, learn the mathematics and statistics of data science, understand data analysis, understand programming part of this, mathematics part of this, and understand how, as a storytelling, how you can depict this thing to your customer. Okay, and do some 2 to 3 real world projects. So that way you are building your foundation. Once you complete the foundation, the next 3 months, you're going to devote into machine learning. So understand what is machine learning, understand the basics of machine learning, intermediate of machine learning, and advanced of machine learning, and build at least 2 to 3 projects into this real world project I'm talking about, like the project of HSBC Bank, the project of the Coca-Cola, BMW, Bank of America, Royal Bank of Canada. That type of project, once you build, that would be in your profile. And that is why your profile will stand out from the crowd. And next 4 months, you are going to spend into artificial intelligence, machine learning and all. So this is a 10 months journey altogether. There is no shortcut, my friend. If someone says that मैं 3 महीने में आपको data science बना दूंगा और कर रहा हूं, you are just wasting your time. Trust me, it will be of no use. You are just wasting your time and money, and there would not be any chance. It takes time. See, my simple example बताता हूं. It takes 9 months to deliver a baby. It cannot happen that you have 9 women to deliver a baby in 1 month. It does not happen that way. So आपको time देना पड़ेगा और करना पड़ेगा. Once you do this thing, another 25 years are there, my friend, for you. You can cherish your accomplishment for next 20 years, 25 years into this industry. Even if you are not going to do full-time job, you are quite much in demand as a contractor. We do a lot of hiring as a CTH, contract to hire, and they are charging hourly basis, and the salary is humongous. Very, very good salary we can talk about. So that is what you need to do in the first term: understand the foundation, then build the machine learning, and then understand overall the computer science, like the artificial intelligence and all, and even all this entire thing, you will be involved as a data scientist there. Okay. And as kya karna hai aapko, within that, there would be workshop. There would be 2 to 3 workshops to build your profile, because your profile just needs 5 seconds by your hiring manager to decide whether you should be called for interview or not. So you should have a world-class profile. So we do the workshop on resume customization that brings the world-class profile. Then the project portfolio, that the project I am talking about, the real world project, that should be part of this. Then the mock interview, at least 3 or 4 times of mock interview with me and with my panel member, that will make you sufficient enough to crack any of the interview. So that is all part of the workshop that all you will be undergoing through. Then this program is basically weekend program, Saturday and Sunday, 2 hours is morning 2 hours or evening 2 hours. That way it is all designed. It is all live. It is not recorded session and all. It is not like जैसा कोई Udemy में और Academy और Scholar में मिल जाता है, क्योंकि hardly 1% भी they are not watching this recorded video and all. They need people to answer the live, like the way right now we are interacting. You are answering my question, right? You are asking the question and all. So that type of live experience is important, so that it can eventually build your skills into this space. And then there would be a 1 hour dedicated question and answer session, technical question and answer session, every Thursday, 9 to 10 p.m., where you are free to ask any question. It is an inner circle call. All the people will be coming together and they can discuss all the technical things, so that you do not have to wait for a week time to understand anything. You can then and there get all the responses done by me and my team all together there. And every month you will be having 1-to-1 preparation call with me. Your profiling workshop would be there, your interview, your mock interview, your career roadmap, your milestone, how you can progressing from level 1 to level 2 to level 3 and all. So everything would be done into this 1-to-1 prep call there. So that is overall agenda. And now you need to understand few of the myths. See, लोगों को बहुत गलतफहमी है data science के बारे में. So I'm just going to give you some good understanding that what are the myths and how you can debunk those myths. So the first myth is that, sir, I do not have a prior experience in data science. What should I do? See, data science is a relatively new area. Okay. So even if you do not have any prior experience, you are coming from a sector or you are coming from some specific domain area, that is important. So even if you do not have any prior data science experience, it does not matter at all. Okay, you can build this thing, reskill yourself into this. I do not have a technical background. I am not BTech. I am not a computer science student. I am not PhD. Does not matter. Here you are there to solve a business problem. So as long as you have common sense, good communication skill, to story tell to your customer, to convince your customer about your solution, there is no need of any technical background. You are quite good with this. Does not matter. I do not coming from coding background. I do not have any programming knowledge. I have not done programming throughout my life. Do not worry at all. We are here to give you the understanding from basics, ABC, and it's like a broken English. The way we speak, Hindi, English में जैसे भी बात करते हैं. So that type of command you need to build and understand this thing. So it is super duper easy, and it does not matter even if you are coming from coding background or non-coding background. You can pick up this quite well. And for this, simply we have 2 modules that is called starter module, starter toolkit, that you can go through this thing and you can understand the basic of this. Anyway, we are covering everything in the live session and all. So you'll be doing everything hands-on, starting from scratch, ABC, to the programming level where you can master into the programming in the entire duration altogether. Second is like, sir, many people ask, sir, I have a work gap. I have 4 years of gap and all. You have seen the example of Ruchi. Ruchi has 3 years or 4 years of gap because of her personal reason and all. She was not working at all. But after coming back, once she completed the data science program, she not only got 1 job, 2 jobs, and there are multiple inline was there. So does not matter if you are have gap or not gap. Company or industry is looking for or interested in your skill. If you have the right skill to solve a business problem, you are good enough. But if you have like a gap or not, does not matter. Build the skill. That is important. I am too old. No one is old in data science. Data science is a young field. It will make you young. Okay. So even if you are 58 years and all, you can easily start as a freelancer and let the lot of requirement of freelancer in the industry. It is called gig economy. मैं आपको एक कहानी बताता हूँ. See, if I am hiring a person for my company, I have to wait for 3 months. And you all know there is a notice period, right? Notice period में 3 months बहुत time लगता है. And the problem is that data science project 3 महीने में complete हो जाता है. So why I need to wait for 3 months to get a person onboarded? So I go for gig economy. I go and hire the person who is immediately available. That is contract employee. So we hire them, and if find them suitable, and if that person is also happy with company, so we go them and give them offer. That is called CTH, contract to hire. Okay, contract to hire means contract gets converted into full-time employee. And many people are coming like this. So there is no one who is too old into this. Everyone can get into this opportunity there. So it does not matter altogether. I hope you had a good timing altogether and you understand this entire step part of this. So now, as I told you, you will be going through a test. Okay, that is a data science test. This test will give you the understanding how successful you would be in data science. Okay, so can I ask you a question? Are you ready for that? Are you ready for the test? If you are ready, just mention ready in the account box. So I'm going to conduct a small test that is only for 3 minutes. Only for 3-minute test. So just mention ready if you are ready for the data science. So Senthil Kumar is ready, Mohammed is ready, Guru is ready, Ravi is ready, Suman is ready, Harinath is ready, Oasis is ready, Rahul is ready. Excellent. Agamjit is ready. Perfect. Oasis is ready. Excellent. Harinath is ready. Okay, great. I think most Rajan Bhai ready, Praveen ready, Odyan Ghosh ready. Perfect. Ready. So it is simple test. Okay. It is proven test. Okay. And one other thing, let me tell you, it is once in a lifetime. If you already have given this test, you have joined my program like this masterclass, maybe second time or something, and you have given, no need to give this test once again. Because only once in a life you need to give this thing, and whatever the result comes, that validates for the entire lifetime. It is already tested on 10,000 plus employees, and we have seen the career progression. So do not re-attempt this test. Okay, just go for only once. Okay, so let me give you some background onto this before we start the test. So it is a 3-step process to crack a data science role. So first of all, you need to assess your current skill set. What is your current skill and what is required by the industry? Understand the gap. Find a mentor and fill the gap there. So that is what you have to do the assess, and we are doing the assessment test now. Second is you need to be jack of all trades, but master in one, not master in none, master in one. It means that one of the area you need to master upon. Whether your technical skills, whether your business skill, whether your domain skill, one area you need to be expert in. That's why you will be valuable to the organization. And the third most important is your profile. Your brochure is your marketing profile. They are the pointers to sell your skill there. So that should be super duper awesome. Okay, but be cautious. Do not put a buzzword there. Okay, the moment you put some buzzword there and you are not able to explain, you will be of no use. Okay, so be sure that whatever is there in your profile, you are able to abide by that. You are able to explain that. So that way, it is important to go through the workshop, not just put any keywords there. No, otherwise it will backfire. Okay, so it is like a double-edged sword. Okay, so now this is the time to do the assessment test. So I'm going to give you a link here. Okay, so let me give you the link. Okay, just give me 1 minute. Just mention ready if you're all ready for the test. Okay, everyone. I am just going to give you now one link, and that is your data science link for the test. Okay, and it will take 3 minutes to complete the test. Okay. See, as I told you, I'm just giving you one link here now. Perfect. See, you will be getting the result of this and all the goodies, right? The promise I made. You join this group. Okay, you are getting the result into this group. So I want everyone to join this group. This is a WhatsApp group where you'll be getting the result. Your assessment result would be there. So I do not want anyone to miss it. So just click this thing, join the group, and just mention done in the account box. Like once you have joined the group. You will get all the result, and as I told you, like the world-class template, resume template, I'm going to give you in this group. You will be getting the 15 top question answer also in this group. So I'm going to give you there. So join and just mention done. Perfect. Everyone just complete this thing fast. Okay. Excellent. Now let me give you the other one. This is your data science. Okay. No, you just need to join, Senthil Kumar. You just need to join. Just click the link and you can join. Okay. Everyone just confirm me if you're able to join, because your assessment report would be given there. Okay. I do not want anyone to miss that. आप सब लोग उस पे ज्वाइन कर लो, वहां पे आपका रिपोर्ट आ जाएगा, assessment report. Okay. And all the free goodies that I talked about, your profile and all, that will be there. Okay. 1 minute. Let me share the link once again. This is the link. Okay. Everyone just click the link and join immediately. And after that, I'm going to give you the link for the test. Okay, perfect. 30 more seconds. 30 seconds. I am done with that then. Perfect. All done? Okay. Right. Now, this is the link for your test. Okay. This is a Google form where you complete all the test. Okay. And let me share you the link. Link is already shared now. Okay. What you can do now, go there and do this test. Okay. So, right. So this test is only for 3 minutes. Okay. You need to complete this in 3 minutes. It will not take even 1 or 2 minutes. It is sufficient to complete this test. Once you are done, just mention done in the account box. So there are total 7 questions. Okay, there are total 7 questions in this. You need to answer each question. Okay, each question has some point. Like say first question has 3 points, second question 4 points and all. So likewise, total 20 points should be there. What you need to do before submitting, just add up all the points. What is your point you have got? Like you have got the first is like 4 points, second is 3 points. So just add up all the points. 4, 3, 2 and all, and just see like what is your total marks out of this. Okay, and submit this thing. Once you are done, just mention done in the account box. I will just take 2 minutes break here. You complete this thing and just mention done in the account box. Then we'll talk about your how successful you would be in your data science journey. Overseas. Okay, excellent. Okay, perfect. So we have got the first conclusion overseas. You are done with this. Okay. So those who are done, just mention done in the account box. Who has submitted this? Perfect. So we have Rahul also done. Excellent, Rahul. Ravi is done. Okay, conscious Ravi. Super awesome. And again, guys, one request, those who have given this test, those who have joined my masterclass earlier and re-attempting, do not re-attempt. It is just once in a lifetime. Once you are given, it is done. Done and dusted, okay? And you will know the result, that's all. And this is applicable lifelong, only once in a lifetime. Perfect. Suman, congratulations, you are done. Okay, Santhil Kumar, congratulations, you are done. Suman, you are done. Congratulations. Okay. Okay, Aparna done. Raju done. Excellent. Congratulations, Aparna. Congratulations, Raju. Okay, great. Agamjeet, congratulations, done. Okay, Muhammad Yashir Jamal, done. Congratulations, Muhammad Yashir. Nisha Nair, congratulations, you are done. Okay, perfect. Very nice. Okay, I will just wait for another 30 seconds. Then we'll move on. Okay, I hope by that time you all are done with your test. Okay, all done. Another last 10 seconds. Perfect. Okay, we have Rajan Bhai Patel done. Excellent. Super awesome. Okay. Perfect. So I think quite a good amount, like all of you are done this thing. Then goes done. Agamjit done. Excellent. Excellent. Mohammed, perfect. Now let's understand what is this. Okay, so now you have seen this is the 7 questions that was given to you. Okay, and each question has a point system. Let's say the first question is 4 points. It means that I love asking question, thinking about the problem deeply and solving them, right? 4 points and all. If you have given 4 points, okay, and the second question is like say 3 points, I love coding and all given. So just sum it up. Just see like what is the total marks you have. Total points is 20. Out of 20, just see what is your score. What you have submitted, just add all the points. Like say you have given 4 points for the first, second you have given 3 points, third you have given 1 point. So just sum it up and see what is your score out of 20. Wow, excellent. We have got the first brilliant answer from Mr. Guru Prasad. Guru Prasad is saying 14. Congratulations, Guru. So 14 out of 20 Guru has got. Okay, everyone just mention your score. Just mention your score. What is your score out of 20? No problem, Senthil. You can do it right away also. Just see like what are the points you have given earlier, like 4 point and all. You can just like say like the way that Guru Prasad has mentioned 14, or then he's mentioned 18. Just recall, just see like what are the points you have given and just add up all the points. Rajan Bhai is saying 15 out of 20. Excellent. Then goes 18. Very good. Raju Patel 17 out of 20. Congratulations, Raju. Ravi Gupta, 16 out of 20. Aparna Vartik, 10 out of 20. Excellent. Sorry, sir, I was not able to get into the test. Okay. Okay, Avisis, no problem. I am also giving you another link. Okay. This is the link. Okay, you can do this thing right away. It will not take more than 2 minutes. Super awesome. Rahul is saying 20 out of 10, 20. Congratulations, Rahul. Senthil, okay, perfect. Do this thing. Okay, just those who have not completed, just complete this thing once again. Okay, I think if you have anyone missed that, okay, Rahul 17 out of 20. Okay, oh, wonderful. Right. So let me now. Are you excited to know what does it mean? Okay, what is the meaning of your score? I know like most of you have already done this and you have shared your score. So let me show you the meaning of your score. Do you want to understand what your score means? Just mention yes if you want to know the meaning of your score. Just mention yes in the comment box. Everyone, those who have given the test, only those who have given the test. Okay, Parveen is saying 10, 20. Perfect. I can see couple of no also. So not a problem. If you are not interested, you are most welcome in your own world altogether. No, like say, data science does not need everyone. Okay. So it is your choice. Perfect. Suman is saying yes, yes, excellent, perfect. Now let's understand what does it mean. I know, like say, let me tell you, data science requires common sense and common understanding. And trust me, it is very, very important from data scientists, and everyone not meant for data scientists. So you will know exactly who are going to make in data science, and there would be many who will not be able to make data science altogether. It requires skills, right? That is inbuilt things there. So let's understand, and thank you all who has given your wonderful scores in there. I don't know. No, okay. So yeah, just mention your number, Raju, like whatever the point, like say Senthil has got 19. So whatever your score is, just mention the score. We are just interested to know the scores there. That's all. Excellent. 17. Congratulations. You are done. Very good. Now let's understand what does it mean. Okay. So what does your score mean? Means yeah. Those who have scored in this test from 0 to 7, you are in danger zone. My friend, those who have got 0 to 7, you are in danger zone. Data science is not your cup of tea. You will not be successful in data science. Let me be very upfront. I'm sorry to be blunt and all, but this is the reality. I cannot give you a wrong information. So if that is the zone, you are into danger zone. You can take this thing as a hobby. That is fine. But maybe professionally, you cannot take this thing. You will not be successful. Second is those who have got 8 to 10, you are at borderline. Okay. It means that you need to put extra effort to get into data science space. Okay. Those who have got into 11 to 13, it should be easy for you to start into data science. You are very good into that. You can start into data science space. And those who have got 14 and above, you are in data science zone, means you are a perfect fit for data science. So I would request those who have 10 and above. Okay. So 10 and above are very good for data science. You between 10 to 13, you need to put some effort to get into this. But those who are below 7, I would not recommend you to get into data science. The choice is yours. It is my expert advice to you only. I can give you my advice, my opinion, but choice is yours always. Okay, perfect. How happy you are with your score? Just mention if you're happy. Just mention happy in the comment box. And welcome to all of you who have scored 11 and above. Okay, 8 to 10 would be the borderline. So choice is yours. I cannot comment much onto this. You just need to put additional effort if you have 8 to 10 and 7 and below. No, I do not recommend. Perfect. Now, are you ready for the data science journey now? Those who have got say 11 and above, you should start your data science journey. So let me give you the path also how you can start there. And you can see exponential growth in your data science journey. Otherwise, it is just muted. You will see hardly 3% or 4% growth or increment. But once you are data science, you will be seeing 15 to 20%, 25% exponential growth into this space. Once you are into this, let me tell you one other thing. Many of the people have myths. Data science is very complex. It's very vast and all. And you know, the problem is with the teacher. Learn what Einstein has to say. Einstein has to say, if you cannot explain it to a 6 years old, it means that you do not understand yourself. That is why you are not able to teach the person there. So most important thing is that it is not a complex thing. It is simple. But the thing is that you should be super clear about that. Then only you will make it simple. And I'm trying my level best to make you super simple to you. Okay. Very nice. Now, do you want to see the super secret that how a person coming from banking background, payroll background, how he can transform his career into data science and got 55 lakhs package plus joining bonus? Do you want to see? You can see this thing in my YouTube. I do not want to take your 20 minutes time. It is a 20-minute video, but I want to just show you 30 seconds clip, a small clip, how successful that person has transitioned. Do you want to see that? If yes, just mention yes in the comment box. Yes, in the comment box, if you're interested to see how a person from non-IT background transition into he is not non-IT, he is like a payroll domain expert, and then he transition into data science. Okay. So let me, okay, thank you for all. Let me run this only for 30 seconds. Okay, if you are interested, you can watch the entire thing later on. I will just share the screen. Just give me confirmation if you can hear the sound as well. Okay. So I had just started on, just listen to him. I will just run through this quite fast.
Hello, hi. Most welcome, Sasank ji, in this interview discussion program. And you are one of the pioneer in my first batch of Rethink Career Hub, and you are the real shining star. So just want to start this discussion with your quick introduction. If you could give a little background as well, what you do and your current work as well, that will give a good insight.
Sure, Manojji. So first of all, thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to connect. And I'm lucky to be, one of the first people to join your training, your batch, where I really got some great insights into how to develop my career, even after I have spent like 15 years in IT. So definitely it was amazing experience. So I'll start with my introduction. My name is Shashank Priyadarshi. I have a total IT information technology experience of around 16 to 17 years. And all my experience has been on payroll module, and it was working on different ERP systems. So first it was
the real thing from the course, and then able to apply this thing very, very effectively and in a practical way. So was there any like multiple rounds of salary negotiation, or whatever you have proposed, they were agreed to take it ahead?
So initially they offered me a bit less than that, but
Okay.
As we had discussed that we have to be a bit pushy towards that, and it's basically I deserve what I'm demanding.
Absolutely.
So that belief, once that comes, then negotiation becomes easy.
Excellent. Absolutely. That's a very, very fair and very strong point. See, most of the time it happens that we underestimate our value. We just think that whatever our current salary and all are there, that is what we deserve. But our value, our services are much more than that. And if we have that mindset wherein we understand our self-value and we do a bit research, what is the market value and all, then you should be able to get the right value and the right salary, what a person deserves. That's great. I mean, that way you articulated things quite well, and then you are able to. So coming to that point, like because many of the people, professional, while they are looking for the job or other alternate career option, one of the most important aspect is that how much they are able to increase their salary from their current. So can you throw some light, like what was your current CTC and how much percentage or increment that you are able to grab this with your approach?
Right. So my current CTC was around 30 lakhs per annum. And I was able to get a deal of 55 lakhs per annum.
Right. So as I told you that I am not going to run this entire thing. So hope you are able to get this thing, that a person coming from payroll background and all, once he able to transition his career, he was able to get 80% hike, 30 lakhs per annum to 55 lakhs per annum plus joining bonus and all. So if he can do it, like him, Rakesh can do this thing, Shripi can do this thing, Megha can do this thing, like hundreds of students are able to do this thing. You can also do this thing. If you trust or you believe, you can also do, just mention I can in the account box. Just mention I can in the account box. If you trust, you can also get this type of salary and command the salary you deserve. Just mention I can in the account box. I can. Yes, absolutely. Thank you, Shuman. Thank you, Shantil. Thank you, Praveen. Thank you, Ravi. Thank you, Udyan. Perfect. You want to watch this entire video? I have already given you the YouTube link. You can watch this entire video. It's like 20 minutes. You can go through this and it will give you a complete understanding how this program has helped him to transform his career and how he's able to get 55 lakhs plus salary and all that. Okay, perfect. Now, you can watch, like this is my Data Science Mastermind. So you can simply go at the rate of Data Science Mastermind, and this is my YouTube channel. You can see all this, like hundreds of successful case studies where people are able to get huge amount, like say 2x, 3x salary and all into this space. Like say Barchaso Sarma, Samsung, he has got in a 0 years experience, 14 lakhs package. Gaurav Khanal, he has got 2 years experience, 16 lakhs package. Ajay Reddy has got TCS 7 years experience, 18 lakhs package. Shruti Ruchi Kumari, she has got 8 years experience and then 18.5 LPA. Vinod Gupta, 14 years experience, 28 LPA and all. Sasank, just now you have seen his interview. 18 years, 55 lakhs in Oracle and all. And everyone is recorded sessions are there in the YouTube channel there. Likewise, I am getting many messages on my WhatsApp and all about this. Like say Ruchi Kashyap says, sir, I have got as a senior IT analyst. Okay, and I have got 2 jobs there after completing the program. Sasank Agrawal says, sir, I have got 125% hike after completing the program. 4 years of experience, 18 LPA job, 18 lakhs per annum. Vedant Manu, sir, I have been placed in Deloitte. Thanks for all your support. I am grateful. This entire thing. Sandeep Gupta, he is saying, sir, I have got into TCS recently. His background check is going on. I am about to inform you about this. Megha Bhattacharya, she has got 3 jobs. One is she has got into TCS, the other one is Oracle, and the third one is the Rolls-Royce. She has joined as a data science program manager with 36 LPA package, just like having around 14 years of experience. So likewise, multiple opportunities are there. You just take a snapshot of this. If you are falling into this age category, experience like 0 to 5 years or 6 to 10 years and 10 to 15 years, these are the salary range you can think of, like 5 to 12 LPA, 5 to 12 lakhs per annum, 10 to 25 LPA or 25 LPA and above. It would be the average salary within that bracket space. You can just simply take a screenshot and be ready with that. Now I have a question for you. Okay, so you have understood so far about the data science, about the opportunity, about how you can go, your career progression, roadmap, all those things. So there is always 2 ways to do this thing. One is the right way and the second is the wrong way. So before going there, I have a very simple question to you that as I promised you at the start of the session, this is going to be one of your best time investment in your career development. And we are now close to almost 90 minutes and a little above of this. So can you just give me understanding that how was your learning so far? Was this good, super useful to you? If you find this session was super useful, just mention SU in the account box. If you think that it is worth your time, it was really useful to you. Perfect. Thank you very much. Thank you. Ajit is saying, Mohammed is super useful, very good, very interesting. Santhad is saying, Guru Prasad is super useful. Excellent. Thank you very much for your super awesome result. Worth my time, sir. Suman, thank you, Suman. Excellent. Very nice. Okay, now I have second question also. See, learning is overall journey, and at least in data science, it's a knowledge industry. You need to keep learning and all. Okay, so it is not only 90 minutes learning and all. So you will be learning a lot. Okay. So second, my question is, how many of you have deep realization that if you are not learning more, okay, your situation will not improve and you will be still in a bad, like, or underpaid situation. If you have the deep realization, just mention, I will just mute, there was some background. Okay. Right. So if you have the deep realization, just mention DR in the account box. If you have deep realization that you need to really study more in order to get a better salary and lead a better life. DR, deep realization. Perfect. Very nice. Thank you very much. And thank you for all your sincere feedback and your sincere acceptance that you have the deep realization and all. Perfect. Thank you very much. Awesome. Now, let me tell you some other aspect here. Now you have 2 choices. Okay. Now you have a 2 choice. One is like, say, your own way. Like say, as I told you that I'm not here to give you any gyan, and I have not given you any gyan. I have just shared my real-time experience so that you can get a real understanding and accordingly you can prepare yourself. So there is 2 ways now. One is your way, where you can have unstructured learning. You can go to YouTube and you can spend hours and hours there, learn thousands of video, and that will be completely waste because it will not give you the real understanding about the solving the real problem. It is unstructured learning or random learning. That is completely your choice. Second is like with the program that I had designed, the Data Science Apprenticeship Blueprint bootcamp, it is going to be structured learning, my entire journey part of this, and that is going to give you a complete boost that how you can take this thing with a toll way to start your journey and get your destination on a faster note. So that is completely there. So what is the real problem here? What are the challenges that we have? See, real problem is not information. Information is overloaded. You can go to YouTube or any other social media and there are thousands of videos. It is information overloaded. You can go spend hours and hours there and you will get still confused. Okay. The real problem is that lack of focused mentorship and the real implementation guidelines. And if you want this, you are welcome in my community that is called Rethink Career Hub Data Science Mastermind Club, where you will get the focused mentorship and the real implementation guidelines to take your career journey ahead. And the solution is Data Science Apex Blueprint. And this I have designed as a part of 90-day challenge. Okay, so it is a 90 days transformation process that will transform your career. Whatever you are right now, it is going to transform your career in 90 days through this 90-day challenge. And what we are going to do into this 90 days is basically the foundation that you are going to build with me. And it works this way that I'm going to give you a complete understanding all of. But in order to go there, to let me introduce you my program. But before that, I have one question to you. Okay. One is like, say, those who have scored in the test less than 8. Okay. I would not recommend data science for you. Okay. So, I mean, it is completely your choice, your discretion. You can take your call. And those who are not interested into data science anymore. Okay. So you can log off now. I don't mind at all, because I just need a serious people who need my mentorship and guidance to transform their career, transform their life, and command the salary they deserve. If you are not interested, you think data science is not your cup of tea, you can now simply log off, because I have done with my program now. I will just take another 10 to 15 minutes to complete the scholarship part of this and the complete the program that I want to help you with this, the mentorship and guidance. And it is only for the serious people. Okay, because I am highly like, I am a full-time employee. I am working Monday to Friday. I do this program only for the weekend, Saturday and Sunday. So I work with only serious people. If you are not serious, I do not want to waste your time into this, or neither my time. Okay, so you are free to log off. But if you are serious and you think this program is going to help you in your career transition, transform your career, and help you to command the salary you deserve, you can stay with me for next 10 minutes. That's all. 1 o'clock, we are going to wind up the session there. That's all. So do I have your permission to introduce my program and give you another 10 minutes path, how this is going to transform your career and how I can help you in your data science journey? If that is there, just mention PG, permission granted. Then I will introduce you my program. And those who are not interested, please log up. I don't mind at all. Perfect. Thank you very much. Because see, data science would not be for everyone, right? I do not want to give you any false promises and all. And those who have scored less than 7, they also can log up, because data science we of no use for them. Excellent. So thank you all you serious professionals who wants a great data science journey. Be with me for next 15 minutes. And thanks for your confirmation. Let me introduce this program all about. So this is a scholarship program only for the working professional, because I will tell you why for working professional. Because you have seen a scholarship for students, but I want to give this thing for working professional, because the condition of working professional is not also that great. Okay, I know 80% of your salary simply go to EMI or your car loans or home loans and all. And within 15-20 days, salary wipes out. I know, I have been to this place, and this phase quite a long. Right. So this is having the 3 flagship program we're talking about, and it is limited to only extremely serious people who want to get industry expert and guidance there. Now, this program is into 3 parts. One is like the 3 months program is there, that is called foundation, where you build the foundation. Next 3 months is for machine learning and advanced machine learning, and last 4 months is primarily in order to build your profile as a artificial intelligence and NLP and all there. The program fee for the 10 months program, all the industry institute and all, I know, because I keep getting calls from them also. They are charging 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs, 5 lakhs plus GST and all. I have many students who have already enrolled, like say Skylar, like an academy, IIT and all. Now they are part of my program, and I know the fee structure and all. But you do not worry. As I told you, my mission is to help you and make this thing very, very affordable for you, so that you should not miss a chance from the industry expert how you can command that type of job and all there. Okay. So in this program, that 90-day challenge I'm talking about for the transformation journey, what you are going to get is, first is like data science foundation, complete analysis of data analysis, exploratory data analysis, and business model canvas. As a data scientist, first you need to understand the business and solve the business problem. Second is the programming part of this. Python programming, you'll be mastering into this. Then you will be understand the applied mathematics, linear algebra, statistics, and probability. And after that, you will also understand how to create the report, dashboard, and all as a data analyst. And you will be able to expose into MS Excel sheet, SQL, Tableau, and Power BI. And after that, you will be doing the 2 real world project, the world that we are talking about. The real world project would be like, say, British Airways project or say HR analytics project, right? So that type of project you'll be doing into this, or Coca-Cola project you'll be doing out there. Then you'll be getting a certificate like that. Once you complete the foundation, you'll be getting a certificate of foundation. You can keep this thing in your profile, and this is going to help you for cracking a very good job opportunity as well. Next is another 3 months you are going to do for machine learning, and in this part, foundation is already covered. Then you will be covering this supervised and unsupervised learning, different type of machine learning model like PCA, KNN, K-means, decision tree, random forest and all. And then after that, machine learning, GCP, AWS, and then we'll be talking about the real world experience like Walmart, Johnson & Johnson, Bank of America, likewise. So this type of industry project you will be exposed to, and that will be part of your profile. Then the last one is that is for the 10 months program, where we cover the foundation and the machine learning. Along with this, we'll be covering the artificial intelligence, AI, TensorFlow, Keras, deep learning foundation, computer vision. And here you are going to work on a project like Uber, Netflix, Airbnb, likewise, and that. And with this 10 months journey, you will be eventually coming as a data scientist. As I told you, I have also thousands of positions open, so you can use my reference and apply for the job. So that way, once you complete 10 months program, the chances of you getting a job is much higher rather than you are just applying for, say, LinkedIn or Naukri or Monster or any other site there. And once you complete this thing, you'll be getting a complete full stack data scientist certificate from RCS Rethink Career Hub. Okay, and during this program, you are going to cover 15 tools and technologies like, say, Python, NumPy, Pandas, MySQL, TensorFlow, Power BI, Excel sheet, Tableau, and all those things. We are going to cover in this entire journey altogether. So now the best part is that the scholarship. As I told you that industry are charging very high, but my aim is to make you successful and give you this scholarship so that you can start your journey into this. And the scholarship is not 10%, not 20%, not 30%. Let's see what is this. This is 60% scholarship, you will be getting it. So with this scholarship, where the program fee for the 10 months program is 3 lakhs, you are just going to pay 39,900 for 3 months program. That is your 90-day challenge, the foundation. Same thing is applicable for another 3 months program and another 3-point program. The program is starting next Sunday on 19th of February. Morning 8 to 10 or evening 8 to 10. That is how the program would be starting up. And the overall, like if you see each term, term 1, term 2, and term 3, 39,000 and all, that is the fee structure that is there for each term. But you don't have to wait for 10 months. Once you are completing the foundation 3 months, you can start your career journey as a data analyst. And most of my students, after completing this within, like, say, 90 to 180 days, they are able to get a very good job, at least double the salary what they are seeing. And you have seen that so many successful case study around this. So you can start with this, and with the term fee of, say, 39,900 with 60% scholarship and GST is 18%, 7,200. This is overall coming 47,100 per term. That is the fee. But the good part is it is not applicable to you. It is no more for you. This is the fee that is there on my job site or my portal. Those who are directly joining me from the portal, they are paying this much to join my program. But since you are here with me for last 2 hours, you deserve much better because you are serious and you are committed. Otherwise, by this time, you should have been logged off. Very fairly, very sincerely, I'm telling you. And thanks once again for being with me. And I hope that I have given you sufficient value of your time into this. So this is no more applicable to you. It is for my side. So do you want more? Do you want a better than this? If you want more, just mention more in the comment box. Please, more. Someone is saying, okay, I'm just saying more. Perfect. There. Okay. Thank you, Roshan. Thank you, Praveen. Okay. Very good. Roshan. Okay. Just mention more. Perfect. Mahesh Hindu more. Okay, great. So now let's understand this thing. Okay. Now, this one is webinar special. Okay. As I told you, in another 10 minutes, I'm going to wind up the session. So it is especially for all the dedicated and serious people, because this offer I'm going to give you is applicable only for next 10 minutes time. And the reason is very clear. See, if you take action, okay, you will get the result. Okay. If anything like that comes free of cost, people do not pay, they do not pay attention. If you pay, you pay attention. If you pay, you pay attention. If you pay attention, you take action. You take action, then you get a result. That is how the sequential flow it is there. So it is very, very important that you need to focus on and do the right thing into this way. So it is only for the action takers and it is applicable for next 10 minutes. Okay. And it is starting for February 19th program and morning 8 to 10 or evening 8 to 10 p.m. Whatever time suits you, you can join the program that way. And it is term fee is 47,100 is no more applicable. It is gone. For you, only for next 10 minutes, the fee structure for the program, quarterly program, like 90-day challenge, 3 months program is only 29,900. That's all. And this includes this plus GST, like say around 6,000 would be the GST. But let me be very sincere to you, because again, I know many of you might have some financial crunches and all. So with this, you have the EMI option also I'm giving you. So those who want to go for, they just need to pay today 3,000 only for the registration fee, and balance amount you can pay as part of at the end, like before start of the program, 26,900 to total 29,900. But if you're finding this thing difficult, you may go for option also, EMI option. So you can pay 3,000 for registration today and book your seat, and then 10,000 per month, 3 months, 30,000, but it will be slightly high, it will be 33,000. So that way you can do. If you want to go for 2 months EMI, to 14,000 plus 14,000 plus 3,000 to 31,000 you need to pay to complete this. You can take a screenshot and you can choose whatever option you want. Only thing that you just need to book this thing. And let me tell you, I only have 10 seats. I have only 10 seats. I am a full-time working professor, so I cannot have more than 10 people there in my batch. So I just need a serious people, and this is only for the next 10 minutes. So you just need to pay 3,000 to block your seat right now, and this is again guaranteed. Like say, for example, you have done this thing, but later you decide that it is not for you and you want to come up, you will get your money back without any question, because I want people to take very thoughtful decision, okay, and embark my journey with me for next 10 months. So that is the idea. So it is completely up to you. I will share you the link, and you can use this link to enroll for the program. And once enrollment is done, just mention done in the account box. Yes, I will just share you the brochure as well. So I just share you the link. I will just share the brochure. Give me 1 minute. So you have option. You can scan this, the barcode, and you can do this thing. And then you can use this thing and there. Okay. You have option. If you're finding it difficult with the link, you can also GPay using this number 9652964242. Okay. And GPay this. Then send me the screenshot or your email. That's all. Okay. With this, your seat would be booked. Okay. And I will personally welcome you for the program, those who have enrolled for the program. Okay. And please stay with me for the orientation. We will do the orientation. You will be getting a special link to the orientation. You'll like those who have enrolled for the program. Okay. So your time starts now, and this time is only for 10 minutes. So it is 9:04, like the counter has started, and after 10 minutes, I'm going to stop this thing. And this link would not be valid for you anymore. Okay. Then again, you have to go for 47,000 if you want to do this thing. So just, okay. Once done. Okay. Roshan Singh, do we have the recording, sir? Yes, Roshan Singh. You can unmute yourself also. You can ask the question. All the sessions are live, okay, and it is all recorded. So you will be getting the recording in LMS, Learning Management System. You will be having your own user ID and password, and you will get this thing, okay? And you will get this thing, recorded session, and that LMS access would be for lifelong to you. Hope that answered your question, Roshan. Right. Perfect. Thank you very much. Okay, welcome, Ajit. We have got the first one. Ajit, welcome. You have enrolled for the program. So I personally welcome you, and I will promise you my best to make you successful. See, my success is your success. Okay, that is how I trust, I believe. So welcome, Ajit. Ajit, you are the first one who got the place done. So you are the first one whose enrollment is done. So my team would connect with you, and just wait. You will get the link for the orientation session as well. And if you have any further question, please feel free to do this thing. Roshan Singh, okay, I got the other one. Congratulations, Roshan. You are done. I have got your confirmation. Roshan is the second one who has got the enrollment done. Congratulations, Roshan. Your enrollment is also done. Thank you. And wait for the time. You will be getting the orientation link, and you will be joining the orientation session. Okay. So that time is going on. Please complete this. Okay. What happened to the time? Amit, okay, congratulations, Amit. Amit is also done. Congratulations, Amit. You have got the third place. Amit is done. Amit, you will be getting a link to complete this thing there. Mahesh, do you have to enroll? No, Mahesh, you don't have to enroll for 3 programs right now. You just enroll for 1 program. Later on, you can upgrade this thing for next. But the thing is that, like in future, if there is a more fee, you do not have to more fee. It will be the same thing for you throughout. Thank you for the workshop. Love your energy and have been absolutely inspirational. I will be taking. Okay, most welcome. Thank you very much. Okay, Amit, congratulations. Your thing is done. And thank you, Amit, for enrollment. Okay. I have got the other one. Okay. So we have got the 4 done.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
I'm Praveen. Please,
Yeah, Praveen.
please show me QR code once again.
Okay, 1 minute. Let me show you. This is the QR code. You have option to go for the QR code or say or GPay or the link that I had shared, so that you can use and make the payment to there. And just give me a confirmation if like once you are done, so I can personally welcome you and will share you orientation link. Only for those who have done the booking registration, you will get the registration link. Okay, orientation link, and will come to the orientation program. Congratulations, Mahesh. So Mahesh is the 4th one who has done the enrollment. Mahesh, your enrollment is done. So I have got the 4 enrollment done by now. Congratulations, Ajit, Amit, okay, Rajat, Mahesh. Okay. Yes, Mahesh, your enrollment is done. Congratulations. Happy to serve you into this. You will be getting the orientation link shortly. By 1:10, I will wind up the session. So those who want to complete registration, just complete this thing and share your feedback there. Okay, Praveen, I have got the 5th one. Praveen done. Only 5 places are left, my friends. Okay, once 5 places are done, this link would not be applicable. Praveen, congratulations. Your registration has been confirmed. Okay, and I personally welcome you in the CDF family. Your 10 months data science journey. Welcome to this super awesome program. Perfect. We have got the 6th position done. Senthil Kumar, welcome, Senthil. That's awesome. Congratulations and welcome to the CDF family. Senthil, you have done through GPay. Please share your email address also. Kindly share your email because our team would be sending you orientation program link through the email. Okay, and the rest of this. Thank you. Please, please on the Gmail, on the GPay, the way that you have done the GPay, you have my number. Like, let me share you my number. Please send this to this WhatsApp number. In the WhatsApp group, can you just mention your number? Okay. Praveen, please, everyone, please share your feedback in the WhatsApp group and your email address in the WhatsApp group. So I have got the 6 registration done. Congratulations, Ajit. Congratulations, Amit, Rajat, Mahesh, Praveen, Senthil. Okay, perfect. Yeah, I have noted, Praveen. You will be getting connected with my team, and they will share you the orientation program link with you, and there would be application process. So you need to just complete that one. Perfect. I have just shared you my number. That is WhatsApp number. You can connect on this, and you can share that part. If you have any question, you can unmute yourself and you can ask also. Not a problem. All right. As I told you that last 10 minutes will be for dedicated Q&A session. So any questions you have, anything, like say, it does not matter whether you are joining my program or not. It is completely up to you. I have full-time, highly paid professional. I'm working as a CTO in my organization. So you can understand my qualification and my proficiency. So here I am just here to help you, to serve you so that you can command the salary you deserve and do not be in an underpaid situation anymore. If you have been in an underpaid situation, it is completely up to you. But I do not want you to be in underpaid situation rest of your life. And do not hurt your family with underpaid situation because I have been into that space for a long time. Thank you, Mohammed. Most welcome. Absolutely. Most welcome, Mohammed. Super awesome. Okay. All right. So another 5 minutes to go. With that, we'll be wind up the session. And if you have any question, you are open. Like orientation session would be next week, Senthil. We will be sharing you the details and the link you will be getting in there with the email. My team would be connecting with you, and they will complete all the formalities. Perfect. All right. Okay, I hope that was a wonderful session for everyone. Okay, I can still see few of the people are there. Not sure if you are on the fence. Thank you. Perfect. Welcome, Mr. Santil Kumar. Okay. So only 3 spots are available right now, and after that, that will go, and the link would be disabled. Okay. So I can see quite a few of you are still here. Okay, let me stop recording now, and those who are interested to get the recording, please connect me directly on this. Stop recording.